Okay, in section 1. Chapter 1, section 5, and problem number 3, there were some questions on it. So, we're talking about a laboratory study investigating the relationship between diet and weight. And then weight is in the y value of the function, the f is in pounds, and c is the number of calories consumed per day. Okay? So this statement, the 1600, so it's f of c, c is the calories, and so the units of the 1600 is calories, and the units of the 150 is the pounds. Now, here, the derivative. So that's how the change in y, which is this one, and that was in pounds, so it's going to be pounds per the change in the x, and the x is the 1600, which was the calories. So it's how many pounds. So in this one, the slope of this equation is going to be change in this. So the units of the 2000 is at what calories, and what are the units of the 0? This is how many pounds per calorie they will be losing. And now here, this is F inverse. F inverse means instead of doing calories and figuring out the pounds, it takes the pounds and figure out the calories. It's a reverse. So now this is the pounds and this is the calorie. This is the pounds and this is the calories. So this is the pounds and this is the calories. Now the derivative of f back to here is change in the weight over the change. They're using a small d for change, but change in the weight over the change in the calories. And what are the units of this? It's pounds per calorie. And then you're reading the study. And so his change in calories is 30. And the function takes in the number of pounds. No, that's the inverse. This one. The function is reading the number of calories. So the calories we're talking at are 2,600. And we're wanting to know how many pounds change at that number of calories. How many pounds are changed per calorie? So we want the pounds to increase by 0.03. So the change in the calories is going from 2,600 to 2,600 to 2,630. So our change is going to be 30 calories. And we want this to be 0.3 pounds. So, let me think about this here a little bit. So we want it to be this value to be some number, so that when we take it times 30, we get 0.3 pounds. So the number that's here, the rate of change, the number of pounds per calorie, have got to be the number of pounds per calorie to be a number such that when we say the change in the calories is 30, 30 times this number comes out to be 0.3 pounds. So to make this come out to be 0.3, we're going to have to divide this by 100. 100 into 30 will be 0.3 pounds. If this is 30 calories is the change times this, the calories are canceled. We need 30 divided by 100, so this is 1/100th or 0.01. So that's number 3.